I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication for your Roblox account. If you haven't tried it yet, setting up two-factor authentication on Roblox is a powerful way to secure your account and protect your personal information. Whether you're a dedicated player or a concerned parent, adding this extra layer of security ensures that only you can access your Roblox account. Step 1. Open the Roblox app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Roblox home screen. Step 2. Tap the ellipses in the menu along the bottom of the screen. The More screen opens. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then tap Settings. Settings options are displayed. Step 4. Tap Security. The security screen opens. Step 5. Navigate to the two-step verification section. You'll see a variety of options for two-factor authentication, including using an authenticator app, email, or a hardware security key. Step 6. In this example, I'll toggle on Authenticator app to use an authenticator app for Roblox two-factor authentication. A one-time code verification window pops up asking me to enter the one-time code that was sent to the email account associated with my Roblox account. Step 7. Open the email account associated with your Roblox account, and then open the one-time code from Roblox. Enter that code in the Roblox app. The Authenticator setup screen opens where you'll see a code that you can use to add Roblox to your Authenticator app. Alternatively, you'll see a View QR code link if you'd rather just scan in the QR code to add Roblox to your Authenticator app. Step 8. In this example, I'll add Roblox to the Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap the plus sign at the top of Microsoft Authenticator to add a new account, and then tap Other. You'll be prompted to scan in your QR code or enter a manual code. I'll choose to enter my code manually. Step 9. Enter a name for Roblox in your Authenticator app and then enter the manual code provided by Roblox. Tap Finish when you're done. You'll now see Roblox added to the list of items in your Authenticator app. Step 10. Enter the 6-digit code that's displayed in your Authenticator app into the corresponding field in the Authenticator setup window in the Roblox app and then tap Verify. A list of backup codes will be displayed. Step 11. Copy your backup codes to a safe place where you can access them if you need them. In the event you lose access to your Authenticator app, these codes will be required to regain access to your Roblox account. Step 12. Tap to indicate that you've saved your backup codes and then tap Close. Two-factor authentication is now enabled for your Roblox account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.